Hi everyone and welcome to this session. In this video we are going to talk about customers subscription. So if you have a business and you have different packages that your customers can subscribe to while rendering them services, then this video is for you. Now in this video I'm going to use a laundry business as an example. Okay, so to make this video uh, short, so I already have a list of products here. So they wash their trousers for 1,000 naira. They wash shirts for 500 naira, and they wash blankets for 2,500 naira. Okay. So to subscribe a user to a particular package, the first thing we need to do is to go to our settings here, go under business settings, and then go and check the box that says customer subscription service. So I'll check this and then update my settings. So when that's done, you go under the other settings icon. With the drop down, you choose subscriptions. I'll click on that, then I'll create a new package. Now I can say this is the bronze plan, okay, and the amount, let's say it costs 5,000 naira. The duration is 1 month, and then the limit is 10 pieces of clothes, whatever that is. So for exemptions, I'll leave this blank for now. Then I'll create a product, a subscription. So let me add another, and I'll create this. Then I'll add it as a silver plan. Okay, I'll put this as 10,000 naira, and then 1 month the limit is 20, and then the exemption I'll leave it blank also. Then I'll create. Now the exempted item we were talking about, let me exempt an item in the bronze plan, or let me leave that for now. So I'll just check that again when we start using the subscription. So we've created our plans. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is go to subscription, then under it we click on subscriptions. Now it shows us the list of subscription that we've done. Now we want to subscribe a customer, so I'll click on bronze here, then select the payment method. So let me say cash, then the particular customer, select our customer, then I'll click on checkout. Now if you go under cost subscriptions here and you go under purchase subscriptions, then you see we have a bronze plan for this customer. Okay, if I click on it, it shows the detail of this particular subscription. Okay, so you can print a receipt for the customer after subscription, right? So now what I want to show you now is that I can go to the sell page. Okay, do add a blanket to cart. Okay, so this is showing N here because we are not keeping stock for this item. This is still showing 52, so let's go and remove that. So I'll come on the product list here. So we have this showing 52, so I'll just edit this. See the keep stock button here, remove it, then I'll press. See, so we save that. So if we go under sell, so we don't keep stock for this because they are services. Okay, so let's put blanket, then we'll put shirt. Okay, now I'll place an order, then I'll choose subscription, then select the customer, then the subscription that customer has will pop up, then you select that plan and we submit. Okay, so payment method is subscription and the subscription type is the bronze plan. Okay, now we have this right here. So let's go back to our customer now and check something. Now if you come back to the subscription and you check purchase subscriptions and you click for this particular customer, now you will see the usage count, which is 2. Remember we said the usage count for this particular plan, which is the bronze plan, is 10. So this user have used 2 out of their active plan. Okay, now also if you go to sales history and you check this, so we have shirts and blankets under here. Okay, now let's go back to our plan. Come to settings here, sorry, these settings, then go to subscriptions. Now let's go to plan. So because this is bronze and it will not cover everything that silver covers, so we'll edit this, then we'll exempt some products. So let's say the bronze plan does not cover blankets, so I'll check blankets, okay, and I'll save. So if I go back to sell and this person wants to wash a blanket, so I'll add to cart, okay, now place order, now use subscription, select the customer and then the plan, and I try to submit. Now you can see this item blanket does not fall under this package. That is because if you are under the bronze package, okay, you are not allowed to wash blankets except you are in the silver package. So that is how we can exempt some items from a particular plan, so that there will be no mistake of actually rendering that particular service to a customer that is under a plan that does not cover this. Okay, so but if this customer wants to wash a blanket, they can use any other payment method for that customer, but definitely not the subscription. Okay, so if we remove this and we add other items, okay, let me add this, let me make it 7, then I add, so I'll place and subscription, the customer, then the package. Okay, so I'll submit. Okay, so in total this is 8 now, right? So I'll go to my subscriptions again, subscriptions purchased, I'll click on this. Now you can see that our usage count is what, 10, and normally for our subscription plan, which is the basic plan, the limit is what, 10. So we've used the limit for that customer. So let's go back to sell and let's try to wash a shirt again. Let's place order, select subscription, same customer. So you can see there is no subscription package again for this customer because the user has exhausted their usage count for that particular subscription plan. So we can subscribe the user again. Let's go to subscriptions. Let's select silver this time. Select cash, the customer, and we check out. Okay, so if you go again to purchase subscriptions, I'll just refresh this. Okay, so we have the silver plan now showing here. So if I go back to sell and I add this to cart and place order, okay, let's choose subscription again. Now we select our user, I can see we have the silver plan back. Okay, so we can now do this again, submit, and then it's successful. Okay, so this is how you can manage subscription plan with Ovaloop. Amazing, right? So that's all for this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and would reply to your comment as soon as possible. Thank you and see you in the next session.